Welcome back. So part two about court. I'm not gonna mention the state that I went to because I currently still have to deal with them, and I pretty much called them out on everything when I went down there. So yeah, it's kind of like we don't see eye to eye. When I say called them out, I mean the sheriff department, the police that I had to deal with. They don't do what I feel like they need to be doing. Let's keep in mind, I haven't spoken to or seen my child. This is my biological child. I'm going to keep saying that because I don't know if people really like understand where I'm coming from when I say it. Like, this is my blood child. Like, that's my biological child. So, it's an issue that I haven't seen my child. I've been doing welfare checks for 2.5, maybe 3 months at the address that I was given from the other party, just for it to be run around. Even if they go, it's, oh, nobody answered, or, oh, somebody answered and they said they don't know this person, which was a lie. So remind you, I haven't seen or spoken to my child in all this time. I finally get down there. I do all this running around because they're so stuck in the past. Like, let's keep in mind, same-sex marriage became legal in 2015. That was 10 years ago. It's 2025. They're still trying to figure out the ropes on same-sex marriage. Why? It's 2025. Y'all haven't figured that out in 10 years? So if they're still trying to wrap their heads around processing same-sex marriages there, I'm bringing them something totally different. Like, they don't know what's going on with my case. I'm pretty sure they've never heard of my case before. So yeah, this is something new, but I've been doing all the footwork here. I've been doing all the footwork. I've been doing all the paperwork. It's really open and shut if you leave it to me. That's how I'm looking at it. I get that the other party is on a birth certificate, but she's on a birth certificate by default. And I keep saying that because that's exactly what it is. And when I'm able to get into the birth certificate side of that, that's going to be a whole nother situation. But when I get down there, they're no help. Again, I've been trying to get a welfare check done on my child. Somebody needs to lay eyes on my child. At this point, I don't trust the other person. I don't care what anybody say. I don't. Because if you could pull this stunt, which I need them to, not this state, but the United States, period. I need it to be like a crime for a person to do this. You shouldn't be able to keep a kid from their parent and then you just walk away scot-free. The other parent has to do all of this fighting. They have to spend thousands of dollars to stretch the rights that they have just for the other person to just go on and live, going about their life at the end of the day. No, I don't play police games. But in this case, yes, if it's some way, somehow, I could press charges or get this person charged, I'm all for it. Why not? Because I just don't play games like this. Like, I don't know what's the end game on her end. Like, I don't know. Were you supposed to kidnap him and then I was supposed to forget about him? I'm clueless on what was her whole point on doing this. To this day, I don't know. Besides you doing this that's going to hurt me, that's the only thing I could think about. Like, this is the only thing that you can do to hurt me. Because you as a person, I don't care about. Haven't cared about for years now. Been made that clear. Like, I don't care about her. It's nothing you can do for me. It's nothing I want from you. I take care of my kid on my own. I don't ask anybody for anything. I handle my business. First time parent and all. Because, again, I wanted him. So I'm not asking anybody for anything. I'm not reaching out for anything. It's nothing that he needs that he's not going to have on account of me. I'm going to make sure he's always straight. So for a person to be able to do this because they're on a birth certificate and that's still not their biological kid, it blows my mind. Like, I'm about to spend thousands of dollars to get my child back from a goofy that shouldn't even be able to pull this stunt. But being that you pulled this stunt, I needed to be some consequences and repercussions after all of this is done. Like, I don't need this person to just be able to go on and live their life or go home and just, kick their feet up and chill. No. My words are all scrambled, but it's like, yo, I need something to happen for real. Like, Some charges need to be put on them. I don't know. Make stuff like this a crime. Make this a felony. That way, when a person feel like they want to be spiteful to the other party, whether it's male and female, female and female, male and male, it doesn't matter. When one party wants to be this spiteful to another party, make them pay for that. Like, make them pay for it. Put it on a record. Do something. Hit them with a fine that's so big that it'll scare the next person on not doing it. Because it's not cool at the end of the day. I just feel like little girls play with kids. She 40. Like, this little girl stuff. I'm not even 40 yet. And I'm just like, man, I know better than this. Like, it's mind-boggling because I'm here, and it's just like, I don't know anybody else that's going through this. I don't know anybody else that's here. Yes, I know other people are going through this, but it's just like, yeah, I'm here now. So I'm that friend out of my friend group when it's just like, yo, such and such keeping the kid away from the parent. What should I do? I'm the example now, and that's embarrassing to me. I mean, the embarrassment, yeah, is going to fade away because I'm going to carry this and handle this situation how it needs to be handled. But it's the fact that I'm that example for my friend group. That's lame. Like, that's lame that I even dealt with a person like this that has me here. But again, accountability on my end. I shouldn't have never did this. So when I get to this state, I'm doing all this running around. They don't even have paperwork for me to file, like, custody. Why don't y'all have paperwork? Like, why isn't it custody paperwork available for the person to file? You automatically have to get a lawyer. That's dumb to me. So if a man and a woman are together and they have a kid, and then the father wants to get custody of the child because the mother might not be doing what he feels as though needs to be done or whatever, you mean to tell me he has to get a lawyer in order to get custody of his kid? Everybody don't have lawyer money. This not a state where it's just like, oh, everybody needs money here. Like, you don't really need money there. And I feel like they're so far behind that I can't catch them up to speed. If y'all still dealing with something that happened 10 years ago, I can't catch y'all up to speed on what I'm dealing with right now. I need somebody to come help me with what I'm dealing with right now.